Hello and welcome to another World of Warships video. This is actually recorded live and it was back on the closed beta servers. Now, yeah, I'm playing with the Essex, which is the tier 9 US carrier, and I loaded in really late. As you can see, the allies are already moving and the enemy carrier is already dropping bombs. But I get my instantly launch all my planes and start moving as fast as I can. Apparently the enemy carrier isn't going for our carriers, so that's a good thing. And I will not be going for him, for them, I mean, in return. So, yeah, I'm just gonna hunt some battleships. And hopefully they won't evade anything. Or hopefully I won't drop weird. Badly, I mean. So, well, my torpedo, yeah, they're getting close to this one, so I'm just gonna do this one. So it's a choice, Fuso or North Carolina. Well, the Fuso has a lot less AA, so it's much safer to just try and hit him. Now he's turning in, so I decide to go for a pretty long way off, but doesn't really matter. He gets hit really hard, and I'm not quite sure, but he doesn't repair, which is weird because he was full RP as far as I could see. So he sinks. Well, that's one full health Fuso. Maybe I didn't see it right. Maybe he did get hit a little bit before, but eh. And now you're gonna see that dive bombers are actually not that bad. So that's a 12,000 hit with, I think it's 8 bombers. Since I have the captain skill, that gives me an extra bomber and fighter, but I don't have any fighters. So now he repaired. So if I set him on fire, he can't repair it. So let's hope. And yes, that's 7,000 damage again, so another good chunk. And 2 fires, so that's good. And he will, I will do pretty decent amount of damage to him. So, yeah, one of my dive bomber groups was destroyed, so I can actually launch it already again, as soon as the other bombers are landed. And I don't really know what I was doing with my ship. I was just making it go in a circle, I guess. Since I didn't want to get any closer than this, probably. Anyway, this North Carolina will be my next target. At least I'm looking at him. And I sent my bombers in. My torpedo bombers are already in the air again, at least one of them, and the second one will be shortly. Well, this guy is getting pummeled, so I'm just gonna send my bombers in. My torpedo bombers are a little bit useless to use at him at this point. I think, at least. Not quite sure.
Group 6 taking fire.
I use manual drops with bombers, but sometimes it's pretty difficult to get it right. And I misclick here, and I wanted, yeah, was too late, and so I miss. But he gets killed anyway. So that means my torpedo squads are able to be used to get another battleship, which is this one, which is Nagato, if I'm correct.
Group 3, we are
And
under
he's
attack.
steering away.
Group 2,
Yeah, it's a
taking
Nagato.
fire.
I just get close to him a bit. He's turning and he's trying to maneuver somewhat, but not decisively, so...
Group 3, we are under
Well,
attack.
this is a crossfire.
Group 2, returning to ship. Group
He
3,
can't maneuver
returning.
much. But he's... Well, he's down. And, well... He got a bit rustled, let's say. Don't mind me in the chat, please. I apologize, but in advance. I was in a really huge troll mode, let's say. Most of what I say it doesn't really make that much sense, or is meant to get him a bit mad. I was just trolling him, pretty much. So, yeah. Anyway, next up is this, well, there's a cruiser destroyer left, and both are pretty difficult to hit with torpedoes and especially bombers. Well, a bomb on a destroyer will be deadly, obviously, but chances of me hitting him really low. So I'll use my bombers to hit the carrier, because that's pretty much guaranteed lots of damage.
Group 6, maintaining present course.
And I, at this point, notice there are torpedo planes coming for me. So I slow down and turn fast. And as you can see, I pretty much evade everything. I think only one of those torpedoes are gonna hit me. And yes, that's only one hit. Now, I don't think that drop was done really well. I think he misjudged my speed, because I was going half speed instead of full speed. Well, I did slow down and turned at the same time, which is one of the best things to do. And I only shot down one plane, which was really... well, I was kind of surprised by that, because Essex has a huge amount of anti-air. But, meh. I didn't focus any groups, so that's not a point. On to the attack on their carrier. My bombers were already... and it's an Essex actually. I didn't even just notice that. Anyway, he's gonna get hit hard, I think. Because that's right smack in the middle. And yeah, 12,500 damage, 3 fires, and high caliber for me. So that's good. That's, I think, 40% damage or something. Not sure. Anyway, my torpedo bombers are on their way. It seems this guy is either still getting hit or still on fire. Well, not anymore. But he is on, well, he is under fire from that battleship. Now he's turning away from the battleship, which is good for me, because the torpedo... well, I got one bomber and a torpedo bomber on the way from the south, so if he continues just to turn, he will be broadside on to my torpedo bombers and I won't have to maneuver, which is good. Less AA. And I'm actually going into the cap at this point, because I'm not sure we can find... well, the right side pretty much fell down and the last two ships are on the right side. I mean, this Essex is just gonna die. So I set one of my torpedo bombers for for a run, and I hold the other one back
Returning to ship.
because, well, as you can see,
Group 3, awaiting instructions.
oh, he did maneuver away, but yeah. Now let's try and find that last carrier. And well, he is in this part of the map, but not sure where. The cruiser has been spotted though, and I've been spotted, for that matter. But I think the other carrier really isn't. Well, he wants to kill that battleship of ours, apparently. Which is okay by me. And he gets hit hard. I get hit, though not damaged, which is actually surprising, let's say. Didn't expect that. But yeah. Maybe he was firing AP or something. So yeah, that might be possible because the Essex actually has some armor. And it's a New Orleans shooting at me, so tail lower. Not sure which. It's another Essex, I think.
Group 5, maintaining present course. Group 6, standing by for instructions. Over.
Group 2, ready.
I shouldn't be typing at this point. Yep, it's another Essex. And that's... I really don't know what I was doing here. Should have just completely... Yeah. Now I do something really small. But yeah, only 2 torpedoes. Oh god, this is not gonna... Yeah, only 1 hit.
Destroyed.
Oh well.
Group 2, airborne.
So all my dive bombers are in the air again, along with another torpedo job, torpedo bomber squad. Well, these are the last ones. They will die.
Group 3, ready for takeoff.
Group 5, we're under attack.
And finally my AA goes to work and kills 4 planes, which is good. And didn't even do anything.
Maintaining present course.
Well, killed even 6. That's nice. So this job's gonna be a lot better. Actually, pretty much perfect, I think.
Group 2, returning to ship.
Group 5, we're under attack.
And yep, that was the carrier. Now for this New Orleans. Unfortunately, he has his AA ability on, so I can't. Well, I can try, but it would be really lucky to hit him. So I wanna actually use my. Well, I just go for an auto drop, pretty much just for fun.
Group 3, approaching target.
And weirdly enough, he turns right into it. Well, he did good, but he shouldn't have continued to stare. But oh well. So that's 8,309 XP. This is on the closed beta test, so it's a bit inflated all. But yeah, decent result. So let's go on to the XP itself. Well, almost 2,500 base experience, so that's pretty good. And I did lots of damage, about 205,000, which is nice. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this replay, and I will